Chris Straub here with Straub Technologies, and to continue our BYOB system on the Straub Technologies website, we've got a Summit small block Chevrolet block here today. So you can go to straubtechnologies.com, you can type in blocks, and with the blocks that we've got, you can see that we've got aftermarket small block Chevrolet, aftermarket big block Chevrolet, aftermarket LS stuff. So you can type in what you want, which family you're loyal to, and you can select all the options. So now with this Summit block, we offer 903 lifter bores. We offer a 50 millimeter cam tunnel with a 50 millimeter roller bearing in the thing. We can stroker clearance it up to 4 inches. This block will go to a max of 4185 bore. Currently, we're working on a billet main cap for this block, so we'll have an optional 3 centers on a billet main cap for this block to even add a little bit more strength to it. We can go 903 lifter bores on this thing, but I tell you, and on our CNC machine block, on our CNC 4-axis machine that we do all the block work and stuff, this Summit, close to factory GM spec of anything that we've seen on the machine, and that Rottler does not lie. So again, on the straubtechnologies.com website, you can type in blocks in the search bar, and it'll bring you down to the page. You can select whatever type of block. Now, if you want a GM block, you want a Dart block, you want a World block, anything aftermarket, we've got. You can select the options that you want, from the flame hoops to the bore size you want, the final hone what you want, whether it's a nitrous motor, whether it's just a power adder type motor with boost, we'll hone that to finish. But again, this is all on our website and part of our BYOB Build Your Own Build system at Straub Technologies, where you, the engine builder at home, now have precision machine work just at your fingertips. This is Chris Straub at Straub Technologies, and remember, we don't build engines, we build combinations.